2017 Kia Sedona. Sedona has the highest safety rating of any minivan on the market. With its comfortable ride, quiet cabin, and seating for up to 7 passengers, the Sedona is a great choice for any on-the-go family. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, Bluetooth, power steering, keyless ignition, 4-wheel disc brakes, iPod adapter, center armrest, rear window defroster, CD player, security system, electronic stability control, power windows, heated front seats, trip computer, panic alarm, tachometer. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.